Welcome to an overview of Sinefa's digital experience monitoring solution. Sinefa offers an integrated solution for digital experience monitoring that helps you see how you're delivering user experiences for key applications and to solve problems even when you're relying on networks and applications you don't own or control. Today, IT and network teams can't just think about how the infrastructure is doing. You have to think about how the apps are doing and how your users are experiencing those apps. That's why we give you flexible dashboards that focus on user experience. We don't just show how you're doing compared to your own history, but we also show how your app experience measures to your industry peers based on collective intelligence from Sinefa's customer base of hundreds of enterprises and hundreds of thousands of users around the world. This performance overview widget shows a blue dot on the experience score scale for how you're doing, and it also shows where the average experience is for all Sinefa customers. As we look at the Office 365 dashboard, we can also see performance over time, how many users are connected, and other application usage information. Let's see how Zoom is performing. According to our Zoom dashboard, it looks like Zoom isn't delivering the best experience. You want to do better for your users, so the question is, why aren't things going well? First, let's take a look at how our overall network is doing. With Sinefa, you can easily get a holistic view of network performance with insights into both internal and external networks. This map shows you all your locations, whether they be branch offices, data centers, or cloud VPCs. We can see that despite the fact that Zoom isn't doing the best, we're not seeing any overall congestion in the network. But you don't have to settle for the summary view. You can look at live streaming traffic so you can see what's happening in a particular location right now. If there isn't an obvious internal network congestion issue, then most likely the problem is an external network. For every SaaS you use, your user traffic from any location can cross many different networks. You need to see if there's a problem happening in one of these networks to get to the root cause. That's where network path monitoring comes in. With network path monitoring path visualizations, you can easily see the exact network path hops the packets go over from a network to Zoom's network. On the left are Sinefa probes and branch office locations. On the right is Zoom's network and service endpoints. In between are transit hops that are located within the internal network and ISPs, and ultimately in Zoom's network. We can clearly see our first hop is having some packet loss. This can be either a firewall misconfiguration or the interface on the network gear might be overwhelmed. Firewall policy misconfigurations are notoriously hard to diagnose because they can be dropping traffic for a particular app even when the overall network isn't congested. Looks like this transit hop on the transport layer is also having packet drops. If the issue lasts long and is consistent, we can use this data and visualization to escalate to our ISP. Having real evidence is what you need to make escalations to your provider's productive collaborations rather than just finger pointing. With Sinefa, you get an integrated set of capabilities so you can gain high-level insights into your network, go deep into live traffic, see complete network paths that go far beyond your network boundaries, and solve SaaS application issues. Sinefa makes this easy enough for nearly anyone to use. You don't have to be a network engineer. Sinefa gives you all the tools you need to deliver the best digital experience and make your users happy. To get started with digital experience monitoring, visit sinefa.com and request a demo today.